Okay, in this video, let me show you real quick how to sort your spreadsheet by different columns or different pieces of data. Your spreadsheet right now is sorted by name, and that might not be how you want to look at it. So if you were to say you want to sort it by release date, you just want to move up to, if you'll notice, watch my cursor, it's an arrow, but then when I get up onto the B, I'm going to click on it, and it will highlight that entire column. So click on the B, then you're looking for the data up at the very top, and then you're interested in one of these top two. Either you could say sort it in ascending order, so that's oldest to newest, and then you could take a look and it sorted everything goes with that. Or you could also have said you want to sort it in descending order, so that would give you the newest movie first, but you could do this with pretty much any column. Click on the top of the column, go to your data, pick one of those very top two, and then you have a sorted spreadsheet. So sort the spreadsheet by different items, then take a look around and see what you can learn when it's sorted in this way.